Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Napkin AI to create visuals directly from text prompts. So let's dive in. Now first, go ahead and open your Napkin AI in your browser or app, then log in. Once you're in, you'll see this text box where you can add a description of what you want to create. Or you can also choose this one, describing my idea, to get examples right over here. So let's choose this one. But once you're done describing your idea, just click next. Then Napkin AI will start generating your prompt to a text. Once done, you'll see this icon right beside the text, this blue one. So you want to click this to turn your text to visuals. Then you'll see your image appear in a few seconds. And the AI often gives multiple variations to choose from. You can pick the one you like best or tweak your prompt and try again to refine the result. Napkin AI will also let you adjust your styles, colors, and other parameters if you want a specific look, like making it more cartoonish, realistic, or cinematic. And once you're happy with the image, you can download it, share it, or use it directly in your projects. And basically, that's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.